If you're looking for best soldering station, this video is for you. Here are a collection you gotta see. Let's get started. Number 5. Jcd Soldering Station. The Jcd Soldering Station is a versatile and reliable tool that provides all the necessary features for mobile phone BGA-SMD PCB repair. This soldering station includes a hot air gun and a digital LCD display soldering iron, making it a comprehensive solution for soldering and rework tasks. One of the standout features of the Jcd Soldering Station is its dual LCD digital display, which accurately shows the temperature settings. This display ensures precise temperature control, allowing users to work with confidence and achieve optimal soldering results. The clear and easy-to-read interface adds to the convenience of the soldering station. Noise can be a significant issue in work environments, but the Jcd Soldering Station addresses this concern effectively. It boasts very low noise operation, enabling users to concentrate on their work without distractions. Additionally, the space-saving design of the soldering station is a welcome feature for those with limited workspace. Safety is of utmost importance when working with soldering equipment, and the Jcd Soldering Station takes this into account. The intelligent self-checking function enhances safety by providing a personal operation function, which ensures that the station operates securely and minimizes the risk of accidents. Another notable feature of the Jcd Soldering Station is its automatic cooling function. This function not only contributes to user convenience but also plays a crucial role in prolonging the service life of the heater. By effectively cooling down the unit after use, the hot air heater is protected, resulting in a longer lifespan and improved durability. In summary, the Jcd Soldering Station is an excellent choice for anyone involved in mobile phone BGA-SMD PCB repair. Its comprehensive features, such as the hot air gun, digital LCD display, low noise operation, intelligent self-checking function, and automatic cooling, make it a reliable and convenient soldering solution. Whether you are a professional technician or a hobbyist, the Jcd Soldering Station is a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 4. Mypovos Soldering Station. The Mypovos Soldering Station is a highly versatile and efficient tool that offers an integrated desoldering repair system. Comprising a rework station and a soldering station, this soldering station goes beyond a simple combination of two devices, providing a multifunctional solution for various soldering and desoldering tasks. One of the standout features of the Mypovos Soldering Station is its advanced control system. The entire machine is controlled by a single piece of microwave chip, ensuring precise temperature accuracy and stability for both the rework station and the soldering station. This level of control enhances the overall performance and reliability of the soldering station, making it suitable for professional use. The digital display of the current operating temperature and conditions adds to the convenience of using the Mypovos Soldering Station. This clear display allows users to easily monitor and adjust the temperature settings according to their specific requirements. The ability to continuously adjust the temperature of the rework station and soldering station using digital buttons enables adaptability for different workplaces, ensuring optimal soldering results. A notable feature of the Mypovos Soldering Station is its ability to allow the two stations to work independently. This means that users can utilize either the rework station or the soldering station individually, depending on their needs. This flexibility makes the soldering station suitable for a wide range of applications and enhances its overall versatility. Furthermore, the Mypovos Soldering Station incorporates an intuitive fault indication function. This function provides users with clear indications and alerts in case of any faults or issues that may arise during operation. This feature is beneficial as it helps users quickly identify and address any problems, minimizing downtime and improving overall efficiency. In summary, the Mypovos Soldering Station is a reliable and efficient tool for soldering and desoldering tasks. Its integrated desoldering repair system, precise temperature control, clear digital display, independent workstations, and intuitive fault indication function make it a comprehensive and user-friendly solution. Whether you are a professional technician or an electronics enthusiast, the Mypovos Soldering Station is a valuable addition to your soldering toolkit. Number 3. Bakon Soldering Station. The Bakon Soldering Station is a feature-rich and reliable tool that offers a range of functionalities to enhance the soldering experience. From its high-definition large-screen display to its ergonomic design, this soldering station is designed with user convenience and efficiency in mind. The high-definition large-screen display of the Bakon soldering station provides a clear and visually pleasing interface. Users can easily navigate through the various settings and options, ensuring a seamless soldering experience. The beautiful interface adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design of the station. Safety is a top priority when working with soldering equipment, and the Bakon soldering station incorporates several safety features. The short-circuit protection of the heating core and the abnormal sensor alarm contribute to a secure working environment, minimizing the risk of accidents or damage to the station. These safety measures provide users with peace of mind during operation. The new drive circuit design of the Bakon soldering station ensures a fast heating speed, allowing users to save time and increase productivity. With quick temperature adjustment available in 3 levels, users can easily set the desired temperature or quickly rise to the preset temperature with just one key. This feature offers flexibility and efficiency for various soldering tasks. The handle of the soldering station adopts a patented ergonomic design, providing users with a comfortable grip and reducing fatigue during prolonged use. This design consideration enhances user comfort and allows for precise control over soldering operations. The microcomputer control system of the Bakon soldering station ensures high-temperature stability, maintaining consistent and accurate temperature control for reliable soldering results. The use of a plugged-in ceramic heating core makes it easy to replace, enhancing the station's durability and longevity. Additional convenient features of the Bakon soldering station include a sleep function to prevent oxidation of the soldering iron tip and password protection to avoid unauthorized modification of settings. These features add to the overall user experience, ensuring optimal performance and protection of the equipment. In summary, the Bakon soldering station is a well-designed and feature-packed tool for soldering tasks. With its high-definition display, safety features, fast heating speed, ergonomic design, temperature stability, easy-to-replace heating core, sleep function, and password protection, this soldering station offers convenience, efficiency, and reliability. Whether you are a professional or a hobbyist, the Bakon soldering station is a worthy investment for all your soldering needs. Number 2. Saike Soldering Station. The Saike Soldering Station, specifically the original Saike 952D952 2-in-1 hot air gun soldering station, is a versatile and reliable tool for various soldering and rework tasks. This soldering station is available in both 220V and 110V options, accommodating different power requirements. The inclusion of a hot air rework station in the Saike soldering station makes it a comprehensive solution for soldering and desoldering operations. The hot air gun is particularly useful for tasks that involve components that require heat-sensitive handling. The Saike soldering station features a soldering iron with a sturdy construction, including an iron tip made for precise soldering work. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, allowing users to rely on the station for long-term use. The soldering iron stand provided with the Saike soldering station is designed with user convenience in mind. Made from blue metal material, it offers a multi-function slot for holding the soldering iron securely. Additionally, it includes a metal cleaning slot for easy maintenance and care of the soldering iron tip. One of the notable features of the Saike soldering station is the automatic standby function of the hot air gun. When the hot air gun is hung on the shelf, it automatically enters a cooling down phase, enhancing safety and extending the life of the hot air gun. For users who require a hot air gun bracket, it is important to note that the Saike soldering station is only available with packages containing the hot air gun bracket. This feature adds convenience for those who prefer to have a dedicated bracket for the hot air gun. In summary, the Saike soldering station, specifically the Saike 952D952 2-in-1 model, is a reliable and efficient tool for soldering and rework tasks. With its hot air rework station, sturdy construction, soldering iron stand, automatic standby function, and the option for a hot air gun bracket, this soldering station offers versatility, convenience, and safety. Whether you are a professional technician or a hobbyist, the Saike soldering station is a valuable addition to your soldering toolkit. Number 1. WEP Soldering Station. The WEP Soldering Station is a versatile and reliable tool that offers a range of features to meet various soldering and rework needs. With its air gun and soldering iron combination, this soldering station provides a comprehensive solution for a wide range of applications. One of the standout features of the WEP Soldering Station is its air gun, which offers both auto and manual modes. This flexibility allows users to choose the suitable mode based on their specific requirements, making it convenient for frequent use and adapting to different soldering tasks. The soldering iron of the WEP Soldering Station is equipped with a sleep mode that can be set from 0 to 99 minutes. This energy-saving feature ensures that the soldering iron goes into a low-power state when not in use for extended periods, helping to conserve energy and increase the lifespan of the equipment. The temperature display mode of the WEP Soldering Station can be adjusted between DEG F and DEG C, allowing users to select their preferred unit of measurement. This versatility accommodates different user preferences and ensures ease of use. Temperature calibration is an important feature of the WEP Soldering Station, as it allows users to cope with temperature deviations and ensure accurate temperature control. This feature ensures precise and consistent soldering results, promoting quality workmanship. The zero air protection function of the WEP Soldering Station adds an extra layer of safety. This function helps to prevent overheating or damage to the equipment by ensuring that the air gun is only activated when a suitable temperature is reached, ensuring safe operation and prolonging the life of the station. The WEP Soldering Station Model 862BD Plus is a 2-in-1 rework station that includes both a hot air gun and a soldering iron. This combination provides users with the versatility to tackle various soldering and rework tasks using a single device, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The intelligent hot air gun of the WEP Soldering Station allows temperature adjustment within the range of 200–480 deg C, providing flexibility for different soldering requirements. The digital air volume control further enhances precision and control during operation. The sleep energy-saving feature of the WEP Soldering Station helps reduce power consumption and increase equipment longevity. This function ensures that the station enters a low-power state when not in use for a specified period, saving energy and promoting environmental sustainability. With a 60 W power rating, the WEP Soldering Station heats up quickly, allowing users to start working efficiently without unnecessary waiting times. In summary, the WEP Soldering Station offers a range of features to enhance soldering and rework tasks. With its air gun and soldering iron combination, auto and manual modes, sleep mode, temperature display options, temperature calibration, zero air protection function, 2-in-1 rework station design, intelligent hot air gun, digital air volume control, sleep energy saving mode, and fast heating capability, this soldering station provides versatility, convenience, and efficiency. Whether you are a professional technician or a hobbyist, the WEP Soldering Station is a reliable choice for all your soldering needs.